Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the power of words and how choosing the right ones can make all the difference. We'll be looking at a sentence and explaining why certain words fit perfectly while others don't. Let's get started. Our first sentence is, the wristwatch works by transferring, tracking, modifying, unveiling information such as a person's pulse or movement. The best choice is tracking. Why tracking? We choose tracking because this is the most suitable option, as the primary function of a wristwatch in this context is to monitor or keep track of a person's pulse or movement. For example, fitness trackers like Fitbit or Apple Watch track your heart rate and physical activity throughout the day. Why not the other options? Transferring. This would imply moving information from one place to another, which is not the primary function of the wristwatch in this context. Example, transferring files from your computer to a USB drive. Modifying. This would mean changing the information, which is not what the wristwatch does. It simply monitors and records data. Example, modifying a document by editing its content. Unveiling. This would mean revealing or disclosing information, which is not the primary function of the wristwatch. It is more about continuous monitoring. Example, unveiling a new product at a launch event. That's it for today. We'll discuss the next blank in tomorrow's video. If you're learning and enjoying our content, please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your loved ones. See you in tomorrow's video.